we are actually conducting the summary revision. This is done once in a year so that we can have one set of standard electoral rule, we can have a cut-off date so that we can implement the same rule in subsequent elections which are coming in the year. This year it is very, very important because, as you know, 2024 is going to be our parliamentary elections, and
we want a clean and error-free rule. That is the main essentials of the elections, and therefore this summary revision is going on. Revision. The draft roll of the electoral rule is prepared by the Election Commission of India and published in all the designated locations.
Okay, we are with the rally, cycle rally, just for awareness regarding your Aadhaar card and link with your electric election card. So all please share this message with all and get involved, involving Aadhaar with election card.